So for this week's Trades of the Week, we can take a look at a few that triggered over the last sort of week to 10 days. Quite a few hitting target last week. A few swing trades, one or two continuation trades as well. Quite on the sniper trade front, the ones with the big sort of disc that we see on the chart, very highly visual, of course. But, you know, just a bit out of sync with those at the beginning of February, really. Only one or two of those in play at the moment, and none closed out during February yet. So let's just have a quick look at a couple of continuations first. We'll start off with UKOil, which was what we call a continuation trade. So here we've got a downtrend on the monthly chart, downtrend on the weekly chart. We're resuming the downtrend here with that red line. So it's really about just identifying this line, moving back down in line with the longer term trends. It's rules based, it's simple to follow. And actually in this case was a profit of about 235 pips on UKOil. So a very, very nice profit there, and quite quick as well. So actually hitting that target on that first day of trading before the markets actually bounced quite considerably. But that's fine because we're in, we're out, we've taken our profits, and we've moved on to the next. We had something similar really with Euro CAD, but on the long side here, so similar continuation trades. We had a nice profit on the short here, but then as the market started to move back in line with that longer term trend, again on the weekly and the monthly chart, resuming that longer term trend, and up the market went on. So we're just riding the longer term trends where the bigger movements, more powerful continued movements are, and again here picking up 267 points on this trade. So entering at 154.11, 267 points. We're looking at what, 256.70 or so, and a nice profit around about where my cursor is now. So in that trade, closing out at some point last week, hence being in this week's Trades of the Week video. Swing trade wise, we'll leave you with the most recent one. So let's start off with CAD Swiss. We had a nice continuation on CAD Swiss here. So overbought market, rotating down from green to red here with my vector average line, green to red here with the trend signal line as well, in line with the longer term downtrend on Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, taking our short. Profit target on this trade was 135 points, so short from 71.13, so looking to target, so what, just under 7,000 effectively. So you can see the market moving around really nicely, and then obviously going way beyond our target. So good 80 points or so through our target, so nice profit, 135 points there on Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. New Zealand CAD. Buy swing trade here, the opposite I guess of the CAD Swiss chart, buy with the longer term trend again. So we're about identifying trends. You know, if you move in line with a major trend, you can pick up some very healthy profits, and here we picked up 150 points of them from a long from 91.72. Really we're looking for a target around 93.22, and as you can see the market getting close, pulling back, rallying through to our target mid last week, just touching through to it on Thursday of last week, hitting our target zone before the markets backed off quite aggressively, but not before hitting our target zone. That's a 150 pip winner there on New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. And the key thing here is it's about simple color change. Red to green identifies those changes there. The indicators changing color. The change of the color identifies a turning point. Particular type of turning point identifies our entry point for us. Very straightforward. We then teach you how to run those trades to maximize our profits, whether that's stops, targets, etc., and run those trades accordingly. Finally, we had a trade that triggered on last night's move. So we had a buy at, so the 15th there, had a buy last night at 107.30 with a target. So it's in line with an uptrending monthly, uptrending weekly, and we have a buy here for a target of 120 points. And you can see, well, the market's up 129 pips so far today, so it's obviously more than 120, so we've done it. We've hit our objective on day one. So very nice, very quick 120 pips profit there from Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar as well. So again, following those trends, looking to ride on the back of those trends, taking us to good, healthy profits in our direction. So that's 5 trades there for us. That's 907 pips. That's a pretty healthy tally from just a handful of trades, and hopefully you're getting on something similar yourself. But if you're not, why don't you come along to one of our free online trading webinars where we teach you one of our strategies, how to identify identify it, how to use stops, targets with it as well in order to maximize your profit potential, and really find out a lot more about what we do here at Trend Signal. Somewhere on this page you'll probably find a link to book to one of our events. Click the link, register for one of our upcoming sessions, and we'd love to teach you all about what we do, and more importantly, how you could do it as well. All the best and have a great week.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.